We were talking about different prevention types of activities that the schools do. What about in elementary school? What do young students see in elementary school? Samantha.
Some things that they might say is like, maybe like, why are you in my group? I don't like you.
Okay.
You're weird.
As far as prevention activities, what types of things do we see in the elementary school? Chloe.
I know at my elementary school we had this thing called peer mediation.
Okay.
And the 5th graders and 4th graders, like the older kids, they would always walk around at recess for the younger kids, and they'd carry around a clipboard. And basically, if they saw a problem going on, then they'd go up to those students and help them work them out.
Excellent. Peer mediation. What are the pillars that students learn about in elementary school? Emily.
At my elementary school, we in the courtyard we painted like pillars, and they're all different colors, and they're respect. See if I can remember them. Well, they're different things like respect, responsibility, things of that sort, and they have assemblies every month and try to, you know, raise awareness for what we can do to be respectful, responsible. And at my elementary school, each month they would focus on one trait that they really tried to focus on, and then you can get like, you know, prizes or awards for showing that sort of trait.
Does anybody remember the word? Character.
Yeah,
That's right. So character counts in our elementary school. Samantha.
We would actually, if a teacher saw a class or a student doing something right, they would say, for an example, Samantha, they would say the teacher's name, their grade, and the student's name, and they would circle either fairness, responsible, and so on, and they would put it in their grade bin, and every time we would have an assembly, our principal would pull out one, and they would open it, and when they would call up the student, and they would go to the stage, and they would pick out a file folder, and inside there would be like a certificate saying that you're a good student, and the whole class would get it.
Okay.
Or maybe there was something from McDonald's, like a free.
Excellent.
French fry or something.
Mariana.
Like Chloe said, we did peer mediations, and the students, there was some where the older students, so like 6th graders, they would help out, you know, fill out stuff and ask the students, okay, well, is it resolved? And, you know, sometimes it was and sometimes it wasn't. Mm-hmm. And then from there, if there was something, you know, further wrong with like physical or anything, you would automatically go to counseling because they feel that you had a problem and there was something always going wrong with that.
Okay. All right. Emily?
At my elementary school, they had something like CAPE tickets, which were character, attitude, principles, and excellence. So I know my little sister, she goes there and she's always so excited when she gets a CAPE ticket.
Like a catch you being good type of ticket?
And
okay.
They also have a song that all the kids love to sing at the assemblies, so about character, attitude, principles, and excellence.
Excellent.